Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to PVR Info. This is Ram. Now, in previous classes, we have discussed about communication skills, soft skills, what is the importance, and basic level communication, intermediate level communication, advanced level communication. What are the topics I have to explain you? Right? I said yesterday, and as I said, explained you. As I said yesterday, content writing. I will let you know tomorrow. Right? So that's why I'm going to explain you today. Content writing. So let me start with content writing. Content writing is very easy thing for the students, because if they are going for any speeches, they have to prepare in such a way. That means some people are struggling with content writing. If you are taking any examples of Mahatma Gandhi or some people, freedom fighters, you have to explain the content very easily and effectively. That thing I will make you understand now in a very easy way. And one more thing, I am going to explain a lot of examples, because English communication is not only about English. If you are going for any current affairs, like updates about anything or date of births or any different things, you can easily get the our mind is active, right? And we can get a lot of knowledge also. So let me explain you with lot of examples. You can easily understand and you can follow that in such a way. There are lot of examples you can take and you can easily make it at your home. Okay, we start with the content writing. Now, if you take an example of Mahatma Gandhi, first you have to observe some points here. First, who is Mahatma Gandhi? When he was born, where he was born. Okay, when he was born and where he was born. What he did for India. You have to understand what he did. Okay, next one. If you want to add, you can add anything like his hobbies, family, or any other you can use. And next one, when he died. Where he died. Okay, let me explain you now one by one. Mahatma Gandhi. Who is Mahatma Gandhi? He is a father of nation. Okay, first one. And he is a great freedom fighter. You can say 2 points. And when he was born and where he was born. He was born on 2nd October 1869. And where he was born? He was born at Porbandar, Gujarat. Next, what he did for India? He gave freedom to India, right, to us in 1947 on 15th of August. Now here, what he did for India? He used the weapons, truth and non-violence, 2 weapons, and he gave us, by using the 2 weapons, he gave us freedom. And next, hobbies and family background, if you want to use, right? He did his graduation like barrister from London. And when he came to India, he started Quit India War in 1942. His hobbies, he regularly takes carrot juice for healthy, right? And family background, Kasturiba, right? Kasturiba ashram also there. These are the Putli Bai, his mother. You can easily understand this point. And when he was died and where he was died. He was died in New Delhi. In 1948 on 30th January by his guard, security guard, like bodyguard, Nathuram Godse. This is the content writing. Just I want to make you understand that very easy thing. This is a good example further. If you take one more example, Mother Teresa. Same points let me apply here. Mother Teresa is a Catholic man. Sorry. Okay, then here. Okay, let me explain you one more example. Now if you take Mother Teresa. let me take an example and apply this all to this. Who is Mother Teresa? She is a Catholic nun, right? And her original name is, right? Her name is Agnes Gomsha Bojakshu. She was born in Skopje, Yugoslavia on 26th August 1910. August 26th, right? Next one. When she was born and where she was born, I said already. She was born in Skopje, Yugoslavia. Belgrade is the capital of Yugoslavia. Next one. When she was born, this is the date. And who? In Catholic nun, I said already. Catholic nun. Next, what she did for India. She came to Calcutta in 1927 and she did her nursing course and she started her charities. Like she used to do a lot of missionary works, right, for poor people. And she got Nobel Prize in 1979 and she was died in 1997 in Kolkata. Same Calcutta. This is the thing, easily I can make you understand. And she got one more award in 1962, Raman Magsaysay Award. If you want to add a lot of points, you can easily add. Right? If you want to take a lot of examples, like Swami Vivekananda, if you take that, him, he's a great monk, right? He was born on 12th January 1863. 12th January is National Youth Day, right? He was born in Calcutta, same, right? And he started his Ramakrishna mission in 1897. Ramakrishna Paramahamsa is his guru, and he was died in 1902. Lot of points if you take. Subhash Chandra Bose, right? 1897, he was born. A lot of points if you take APJ Abdul Kalam. Who is APJ Abdul Kalam? He was the 11th former president of India. Next, when he was born, where he was born, right? 22nd October 1931. Yes, 22nd October 1931 at Varanasi in Tamil Nadu. Next, where he was born, I said already, Varanasi. Varanasi is called Temple City. Next, what he did for India. He worked for ISRO. Also, he started his satellite machines and everything he worked. And he worked as a president as well, former president. Next, when he was died and where he was died. And he wrote Wings of Fire book and he inspired a lot of youngsters. He gave a lot of quotations to youngsters. And he was died on 27 July 2015. Lot of examples if you take. And if you take Ramanujan, mathematician, he was born on 22nd December 1887 in Erode, Tamil Nadu. And he gave the number 1729 is the cube of, right? 8 cube plus 9 cube equals to 10 cube. These are the lot of things are there. Okay, this is the way of content writing. You can take it very easily, just to focus in the main point. That's it. Who is the person and when he was born, where he was born, what he did for India. And what are the hobbies or family background. You can write where he was died and when he was died. That's it. Okay. And next topic. Okay, thanks for this. And next topic will be like basic level communication. And I don't want to lag that topics also. Very easily I will make you understand in the next video. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, PVR Info. Thank you so much. Like, share and comment.